Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Okay, if you watched my last video, you will have seen that I showed you how to create these jelly nails using Magpie products. So predominantly they're pigments and they're top coats. And these are the nails that I did. So this was 1 coat of pigment, and I also did do some that were 2 coats of pigment. So I'll link the video on the screen so you can see. So I've already done the pigment on these nails today, so all I have done is exactly what I did in the video. This is 1 coat of their top coat, their no wipe top coat, don't be tacky. Then I've burnished in the pigment, and then I have done 1 coat of Let It Shine, and I've used Magpie Joy, which is this one here. So all I'm going to do today is some stamping. So I'm going to pick a few designs from some of my Dixie plates, and I'm just going to stamp over the top of the nail. So I'm going to do some that are really vivid stamping, and I'm going to just do a couple that are sort of the same pink, so you can have something a little bit more subtle. So I'm going to stop talking and get on with it. Guys, all done, and I think these are really pretty. I do like the black on pink, but I much prefer the pink on pink. It's super subtle. Excuse my really dirty hands there. That's black stamping polish. Now I did, talking of stamping polish, I used the Twinkle Tea polishes, and I am the Australian stockist, so if you are interested in getting any Twinkle Tea stamping polishes and you're in Australia, you can get them from the Dixie Plates website. Now the other thing is I'm using my Glamour Liz hand. Now this is Elsa. This is a lifesaver. I've got an entire video review of the hand, so I will link that on the screen. If you're thinking of getting one of these, this is, in my opinion, the best hand on the market. It is fantastic. Now, Liz was the first person to come up with left hands and right hands. She was the first person to come up with the skin tones. She's also the first person to create these deep wells where you put your tip in so you don't have to glue the tip to the hand, which is just a pain to get them off. So you just pinch the finger and then you slide the tip in. Now that's as far as I popped it, but if you watch the stamping disappear now, you can get these in a lot further, so you can do really short nails. So look how far that goes in. But as I said, this is Liz's invention. She came up with this concept and it is absolutely fantastic, and Liz has very kindly given me a discount code. If you're interested in purchasing a hand, you get 10% off if you use the code Dixie10, and it's on orders over $100 US. So I'll link that in the description bar below. Now I just wanted to show you these 2 nails as well. These were what I did as an experiment. So the one on the left here has 1 coat of pigment, and the one on the right has 2, but so you can get really different effects depending on how you want to play around. I'm going to stop talking, guys. If you can hear that weird noise in the background, that is Byron, my dog. I'm sure you can hear that. He's snoring. Anyway, thumbs up if you like the video. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box and I'll get back to you. I'll link everything I use below, and please subscribe if you haven't, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Apologies for my sniggering. My dog is disrupting my videos. I will catch you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.